So a lot of people ask me where I get my LUMIX merch in my comments on my YouTube channels. And some of it I do get at exclusive events. Like that's why we're in Japan. I was just at the LUMIX Global Summit in Osaka. And so some of that I get there, but a lot of it I've actually gotten from here, the LUMIX Base in Tokyo. So we've got 2 goals while we're here. Actually 3 goals. 1, I want to show you guys the LUMIX Base because, you know, you may not ever make your way out to Japan. 2, I want to find merch. And 3, we're gonna see if anybody notices that we have a LUMIX S9. It just came out yesterday, so we can, you know, it's okay, the embargo's over. But anyways, stop wasting time and get inside. Here it is. This is where it all began. The S1H. This thing feels like a tank now compared to the S9. Even the S5 II, S5 IIX, like this thing is just a beast. I miss it though. It just, there's something about it. It's probably the optical low pass filter. There's something about it. It's just got that magic. Love the S5 II and S5 IIX. This little S9 is cool too, but this was my baby. It always will be. So yeah, the store itself is pretty small. You got a table here with the S series. You even got the BS1H up here, S5 II over there, S1, S1R. And then over here you've got micro four thirds stuff. So yeah, G9, GH6, GH5 II. This was actually the first camera, or sorry, the GH5 IIS. I don't know if it's here, but it was the first camera that I shot like professionally, I guess. First LUMIX camera I shot a wedding with it. Maybe I'll show some clips with it or something. Then over here, G99, G100, G100D. Don't use them, but you know, they look cool. They do. G9 Mark II though. I do have this one, and I do like it. I guess we'll just come over here because the merch is just here. It's not that hard to find in the store. They haven't added a lot since the last time I was here. The last time, you probably noticed, I have this one and this one, but I'm thinking we gotta pick up a vlog shirt while we're here. It's just like gray, but it's vlog. I like this blue one, but I mean, I don't shoot in cine-like, but I don't know. Do I? I got some other cool things too. Little like wrist things. This little bag case is kind of cool. Hold all the primes. Notebook. I actually have this notebook. SD card readers. And some little, you know, tumblers for some drinks. Maybe I gotta get this one. Oh, it's stuck. We might have to bring this one back. Sip my chai tea. I know, I'm basic. Unsubscribe. So I was kind of not expecting this, but they've already got the S9 out. So I guess someone did kind of discover it before we started filming the intro. It's right over there. He saw that we had the S9. So that was kind of fun. He asked me if I was just like fully LUMIX shooter. He loved that I was. That LUMIX was my primary camera, so win. But this I was not expecting. It was this S9 over here. Look at this. Look at this silver one. I don't think it's available in the US, which I'm really sad about, because this is totally the one I would have gone for. I mean, I love the green. Actually, the green one is I'm filming on right now. We're filming on the S9. This is a different one, the red one, but I'm a little sad. I want the gray one. Look at this. Well, for once, all you people that complain that the US gets everything, not in this case. Do you think they'll notice if I take it? It's just zip tied. I could just put the other one on. Oh, that's it. The LUMIX Base Tokyo. Got my merch, just one shirt, and the cup. Why not? I'm here. I don't know when I'll be back, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll have affiliate links to the cameras down in the description if you're interested. Those help out the channel. And so yeah, thanks for using them. They're free, but you can always support me just by hitting the subscribe button and the bell button to be notified of future uploads. But I'm still in Japan, so I got places to go and places to be, so I gotta go. I got it. See ya.